Many countries, institutions, and companies have committed to reduce their emissions, while the EU has even set up the objective of being climate neutral by 2050. As an individual, you can also estimate your carbon footprint and reduce it. Graphenizer, basically our aim is to reduce carbon footprint on this planet. The graphenizer, talking about the graphenizer, is a non-toxic set of additive for better lubricant and performance. Basically, we call this lineup. What does it do is, it removes the carbonize from engine and make vehicle for better performance. We have three kind of graphenizer: Graphenizer 1, Graphenizer 2, Graphenizer 3. Talking about Graphenizer 1, G1, which is a decarbonizer, specially designed to remove carbon deposit from the pistons within the engine. This will help to cleanse the valves, injector, nozzles and pump, and also helping to reduce knocking sounds, engine noises and vibration. Graphenizer 2, which is a metal treatment. This will reduce the engine's heat up to 60% while extending the engine oil's life by up to 3 times. This will help to protect the engine by perform a graphene layer. This foam layer helps in stopping oil leakage while also extending the engine's lifespan. G3, that means Graphenizer 3, which is used for in the fuel tank to remove bacteria while separating the fuel molecule for better performance and mileage. The special formula of G3 is to break the chain of hydrocarbon bonds, which is basically removing sludge and overall improving the fuel quality that allows it to burn fully. So these are the three type of graphenizers this company has, basically to reduce the carbon footprint in the planet, their aims, and basically it's make the vehicle performance better, to reduce carbon from the engines and pistons, valves, everything. Thank you.
Graphenizer, a complete engine treatment for all vehicles with instant results in just 10 minutes with up to 50% extra mileage. Check the pollution test before and after the treatment. It is trending top #1 in Google. Search as Graphenizer, first of its kind in the world. For dealers and distributors, visit www.graphenizer.com. Call or WhatsApp